Hello students. Today we will discuss about secondary metabolites, and after this topic we will discuss about the synthesis of DNA, RNA and proteins. So what are secondary metabolites? They are present in plant only, and as you all know that plant cells having metabolites, and these are categorized into two types. One is primary metabolites and the second one is secondary metabolites. So what are primary metabolites? These metabolites are involved in the plant metabolism. As you can say, carbohydrate, fat, protein, amino acids, these are all categorized into primary metabolites. And what are secondary metabolites? The examples of secondary metabolites are alkaloids like phenolics, steroids, flavoring agents, essential oil, antibacterial and fungal compounds, and alternative sweeteners. These all come under this category. So now as we have discussed that plant cell produces two types of metabolites. So primary metabolites are directly involved in the plant metabolism during the growth and development of the plant. Primary metabolites का जो major role है वो किस लिए है? ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट, प्लांट की ग्रोथ के लिए और उसकी डेवलपमेंट के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं, और इसको हम कहते हैं हाई वॉल्यूम लो वैल्यू प्रोडक्ट, जिसका वॉल्यूम तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है लेकिन इसकी वैल्यू जो है वो कम है कंपैरेटिवली टू सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स. सो नाउ we will discuss about secondary metabolites. These are produced by the transfer of metabolites, and these are produced under stress condition in order to ward off predators and to attract pollinators and distributors and to combat with the infectious agents. So इसका major role जो है secondary metabolites का वो क्या है कि ये जो है पॉलिनेटर्स को अट्रैक्ट करता है और इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट से लड़ने की क्षमता रखता है, और इसकी वजह से, और ये कब प्रोड्यूस करता है प्लांट? स्ट्रेस कंडीशन, व्हेन देयर इज़ word of mean any of the infectious agent infect plant, then in case of that stress time it's get released. So if we categorize secondary metabolites, they are of two types. One is phytoalexins and second one is phytoanticipins. Phytoalexins क्या होते हैं? These are that type of secondary metabolite which are produced under stress condition due to activation of gene expression. जब gene expression की activity express होती है तब ये phytoalexins produce होते हैं. और phytoanticipins कब प्रोड्यूस होते हैं? व्हेन देयर इज़ द एक्टिवेशन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम एक्टिविटी. एंटीसिपिन्स तब प्रोड्यूस होंगे जब एंजाइम एक्टिविटी, जब स्पेसिफिक कोई एंजाइम की एक्टिविटी होगी, उसका जब एक्टिवेशन होगा देन phytoanticipins आर प्रोड्यूस एंड phytoalexins आर प्रोड्यूस due to the activation of gene expression. Any specific gene is getting expressed, then phytoalexins are produced. They are generally produced in low quantity in specific cell of a particular taxa. As we have talked about primary metabolites, they are in high quantity but as low value, and secondary metabolites are very valuable, high value but low quantity. For example, alkaloids, glycosides, saponin, terpenoids, phenolics, these all come under secondary metabolites. They are produced in vivo condition in intact plant, but the production of these secondary metabolites can be optimized by the manipulating the physiochemical condition of the cells and by selecting the cells which have high productive capability under in vitro tissue culture condition.